Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can remove temporary files on your Windows. Now if I head over to my Windows search bar and I type in run, I should be able to get this run bar open. From here you want to type in temp. Once you type in temp, these are going to be your files. You just want to select all of them and then you just want to basically delete them. Now for some reason on Windows 11, once you do this, you won't be able to do shift delete. So in order to be able to do shift delete, you just want to either go to a file or something and then basically shift delete again, and that works. I'm not sure why this is a thing, but Windows 11 is a bit weird. And there's another temp file that you want to clear out, and that's going to be temp percentage. So it's going to be the same thing except just add percentage in the percentage sign in front and after the temp. Once you open this up, you just want to open something up. Control A, as in select all of them and permanently delete, and that's gonna be it. Now some of these files will require your permission, and some of these won't be able to uninstall, so that's all you want to do. And that is a lot of TMP file that does not want to install. So yeah, you can if you want to install everything, you can go into safe mode, and once you're in safe mode, you should be able to uninstall delete all of your temp files. With that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.